So, hey guys, what's up? Guess it's quarantine still, so yeah. So practically, we're in quarantine and like, why don't we do something because it's super boring and like, we always just want to eat something sweet, okay? Honestly,
Yeah.
always.
So recently we watched this YouTube video. It came out on a recommendation.
Yes.
Okay, so it's basically just using 3 ingredients making ice cream. So I'm like
Who doesn't like ice cream? Like,
get ice cream. So
yeah, so,
do it together with us.
yeah, so,
It's our first time.
yeah, it's our first time. We're gonna make.
Okay, we're gonna make ice cream, chocolate
Yeah.
ice cream. So
First thing, whipping cream. Doesn't matter what brand, I just bought this brand.
I want a really huge one because in case I'll make more, you know.
Mhm.
So gotta get that one.
And next we got is dark cocoa powder, which is you need got to get the pure one, okay?
Pure
Is it pure
cocoa.
one? I think it is 100% cocoa powder. So,
Hey.
yeah. Okay. Oops. And then the last one that we got is called condensed milk. Okay. You got your condensed milk.
I legit did not know which one to puzzle with.
Because over here it's called creamer money. So
I just took whatever.
So these 3 ingredients. So shall we get started?
Yeah.
Okay, before you get started, I'm watching the video. The guy was like, if you have a bowl and you have a whisk, you're gonna put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. So we did put it in the fridge
Yeah,
before
so
we
this is
started.
like kind of cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
So we're ready.
So we're ready. Okay. So the first thing that you gotta do is take your whipping cream. Okay. 400 grams. Yeah, 400 grams.
Can you try to open this?
Much later.
Oh my god. Let's try.
See, how we will start it and this happens.
Bro. I need the cloth.
1 hour later.
That's okay, I open it. I'm just like estimate. Ooh, that thick consistency.
More a little. Oh my god, yeah, don't mess up. You
Okay.
treat this after this. And then the next thing you need is a whisk. Okay, the first thing you got to do is you got to whisk it. So honestly, you say about whisking it 5 to 7 minutes. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna
Okay, so you gotta whisk it till it's creamy.
So you gotta whisk it. I think I'm gonna die by energy. Oh my god, those of you who did dalgona coffee, honestly, thumbs up. Cause girl couldn't.
I didn't do that yet.
Yeah, I didn't want to.
Because girls do not have any instant coffee at home.
Probably gonna try that one day. Maybe we can try this with their series. You know?
Yeah, do you think we should try this series where we do some stuff from 3 ingredients, 2 ingredients?
Yeah, so we continue whipping it and then we get back to you once it's done. Cause you don't want to see this action of me just moving my wrist, you know, whipping my wrist. So come back after a minute.
2,000 years later.
So guys, we're back. And you see the consistency is really
Big and oh my god, we died.
Okay.
We literally died, okay? So anyways, next step is condensed milk, okay? So get your thingamajiggy
Can open
can opener, yeah, can opener. And then you got to open the can. How do you do it? This way? This way? Oh my god, I didn't know it's a can. No, just
Eventually.
oh my god. Oh, the next thing you need is 140 grams. This is 500 grams, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Oh my god. Okay, that's 140. It's okay. And then it's okay. And the next thing you do is you're gonna take cocoa powder. I pour it in already. I pour it around like 150 in, so it's fine. Struggling. So, how much is this? This 200 grams, so 60 grams is like less than a quarter of it. 100. Yeah. This is really low, a quarter. Okay. Okay, then you stir it up and make sure that it's all, you know, really clumped back together. Show you the carrot how it looks like now. It looks like just like normal chocolate powder. It's like this, so you have to
I think that's secret.
But yeah, I think that's alright.
So now we're gonna take the.
Yeah, honestly, we didn't have like a bowl that the guy had, so we just got like a simple container and just put it in here.
Can you try it?
Oh my god, nice.
I'm freaking. So I think it's correct. I'm just gonna put it.
Hey, honestly, remind you guys we're unprofessional, so we're just doing it because we're bored and we need ice cream.
I know you can see it.
Yeah, want me to take it over here? Look at that. It's so good.
Trying to make
Yeah,
it
so
very
it's gonna make
aesthetic.
it aesthetic. It's a clean wrap. Honestly, the cover is fine, but it's gonna make fancy like him. Yeah, but the fancy like the guy. I'll put the link of his video down below so you can get to know. I mean, you can do it as well. Right. So you press it down lightly on the screen. Okay, and then once you're done like that, you're gonna leave it in the freezer for 4 hours and look back to show you the results and tell you how it tastes like. Because honestly,
We're curious too.
okay, so we're gonna go let this in the freezer for 4 hours and do whatever we want to do, and we'll come back. We'll come back and show you the results.
You.
So, be right back.
Many hours later.
So what's up, guys?
And we're back.
We're back after not really 4, just after 3 hours.
Yeah. We got tired of waiting. We just want to eat our chocolate ice
And
cream,
you
right?
see we dressed differently.
So we got a little photo shoot to take.
to take some photos.
So yeah,
So I'm gonna take it out and let's see how it goes.
we'll grab the ice cream, right? Down. Oh wait, I gotta show you guys. So. Okay, honestly, this is how it looks like. You know,
Reveal the wrap.
ignore the icy flakes. It's alright. Oh shush, drops on the floor. But let's go try and scoop it up and see how it looks like.
So let's go. We don't have an ice cream scooper. So I will go with this.
Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Really good. Let us still struggling with the ice cream though.
It tastes good.
It really tastes good. It will take so much from me. Oh my god.
No lie.
That for real, guys.
It is good.
It's so good.
And
Oh,
to be honest, you don't even have to be for like 4 hours.
it's so thick and creamy. It's so nice. Like, honestly,
I'm not talking good.
rating time of how much you can try this at home, literally out of 10, there's a 10 out of 10. But I'm seeing myself trying these in different kind of flavors.
So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy and if you think we should do more videos like this instead of some fashion stuff, just comment down below or even just DM us on Instagram. Maybe we can try something different similar to this where we put on 2 or 3 ingredients and actually make up something like this.
Yeah, if you want this to be like a continuous series, do tell us that we can do it with other ingredients. Maybe next time instead of dessert, we can do it like food and stuff. But I find it really fun.
I
in
really get to
general.
know us more
Yeah.
in general because for me, fashion videos, it's just
Less talking, more
Like-
movement and stuff. But if you like this, please do comment, like, and subscribe down below. Share with family friends who like it.
This is something really simple. You guys should definitely try it at home.
It's super delicious as well. You wouldn't go waste any time. You just finish in 10 minutes and you got just gotta wait.
Also, like,
You're just gonna wait and then you're done and you get this beautiful ice cream.
Right. So see you guys soon.
Hope you enjoy and stay safe, honestly.
Yeah, stay
so,
safe.
bye.